Another view of some of the weapons here.
Which one is that on?
One thing I want to capture is the back of my my t-shirt too.
Some more weapons here.
They're leaving?
Yeah, they're taking.
You can rent machine guns to shoot
Like
here.
that gun? Huh? You like that 53?
I always did.
Short barrel,
Always did.
just like an MP5, but a little more kick to it.
Yep.
Now, is that quiet enough for
Loading
you?
up the belt.
7'3" on his side.
Where's the money on Monday?
Bowling ball mortar on that end. We'll have to take it in again. Well, process when you don't have a belt loading machine. One at a time.
Hey. I'll grab a seat for a minute.
It was just one constant noise and it was done.
Counterport. Hold your.
I didn't know you had a 223 M16. Yeah, I was always a 9. I thought that's all it's.
Stupid back.
I have to put to say, is there any other kind? Is there any other kind?
Oh, look at that one.
Is there any other kind? Yeah. I mean, no.
That's
oh,
up, dude.
Colt.
Or Jeff. Beer can.
I was down at Quantum. They had a. Saber Arms. Saber? Yeah. U.S. property.
M16 will set you back starting out at about 11, 12. This will set you back about 15, 16,000. Bump that. You're gonna. If it stops, jab. Got it, grab it. Okay? Ready to go. Just lean right into it. These guns like to run.
Oh, okay.
You take off the trigger, what happens is they sometimes short stroke the bolt.
I got you.
So just let it run. Be happy with it.
Okay. That some bitch right?